Jano. Me can't believe they just left way up here so like we are not nobody. I mean, I say the whole time, you know, we're dead upon the shift and we are laugh and talk like everything good in a region. And then perhaps they just drop way off and cut. People are junk, you know? But we don't need them. Don't beat boop.
Beep boop.
Yeah. As a matter of fact, how free we ground this?
Beep boop.
How we make the laws and rules up here, so.
Beep boop.
We have a whole planet for ourselves.
Beep boop.
Plus we are robots. So we automatically smarter than them.
Beep boop. Beep boop. Beep.
You're right, you know, beep boop.
Beep.
You're right. People of Earth, hear me loud and clear when I say this. Go suck on the mother! 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 Alright, so all we need to do then, I find the piece we drop off, put it back on the old spaceship, and we can take off. Not that we really want to take off, remember I thought we got this, you know, but just in case we want to go Earth, go do a little shopping and them thing there, we can go down. But we don't really want to go down, you see me? We can run off up here, so not so big, but space is nice. You see? So, what you say, your GPS say, are you know the key there?
Beep boop.
Beep boop, you sure?
Beep boop.
Beep boop. Me no like fuckery, you know?
Beep boop.
No, me trust you, but more time you say something when not too right.
Beep boop. Beep boop. Beep beep. Boop boop boop. Beep boop. Beep beep.
Alright, beep boop, calm down. Beep boop, get to that temper to bumper. Calm down, beep boop. Yeah, but we go see what go on in that cave over here, so where your GPS say, we fi go in. Hello?
Beep boop.
Miss Liquor, where ya cook? Lasco mackerel
Beep boop.
Space the nice. Space the nice a bumbo clot. Oh God, beep boop. They kill me, boop. Boy, they murder my cousin. Murder! Walk back hurt. Rest in peace, beep boop. Bumbo clot, they kill me, boop. This is for my fallen soldier. Man like beep boop. I know I'm a bad dog, we miss you. Gap on the battlefield. Out of space, but this too real. Yo, as a liquor robot, we used to sit down in the corner. Me and beep boop a bun some weed from up a cloud corner. I do. Hey, me not ramp with you know? Move that!
Beep boop.
Bumbo clap! Beep boop! You're alive!
Beep boop.
Hey, beep boop, just why you know in a bedroom. I no cut me cut left here in a bad dog.
Beep boop.
You don't believe me?
Beep boop.
Me a pussy beep boop.
Beep beep boop beep.
Dog, my hurt you that even. Think that. You see me? And I run left you at the burn and I run go for you. So I say I couldn't even find the ship and I say, yo, you know, so I beep boop have a GPS and then it start get dark and I say, yo, might as well me just want camping. I'm not even a fret or worry about you. Cause I say, yo, beep boop, them man they are real thugs. Beep boop know how for busting boy face. Yo, you remember that time that when we did go by
Beep boop.
beep boop. Beep boop, my bad God. Father, beep boop. Yo, beep boop, slow down now, brother. Yo, so what they go on, eh? You find the party in the cave?
Beep boop.
You find it?
Beep boop.
You see me I say? Beep boop, you're the man. Well, the robot, but you see me? You know what I mean? Never doubt your GPS for 1 second. And that's a real thing me I telling you. What, me never doubt it?
Beep boop.
That's cool, no, man. So beep boop. I want to go on in a cave there when you rush a gurgler.
Beep boop. Beep boop. Beep boop. Boop beep beep. Boop beep beep. Boop beep boop. Beep boop. Beep boop.
Bumbleclad. Beep boop ready for the boy, them well billions. What me that say? Beep boop good. Beep boop a all murderer. You see, all murderer. Yo, if them not behave, a grave. Beep boop rifle them, big boop. What do you mean they never kill him?
Beep boop, beep boop, beep beep boop.
Oh, the Rasta tell me say beep boop. So when they know?
Hello, my good lad. There's battery, but everybody calls me Batty. A pleasure to meet you.
Beep boop, let me chat to you over here, so there. Beep boop, who the fuck that?
Beep boop.
So what you do here, so?
Beep boop, beep, beep beep boop, beep beep boop beep.
You know if you fix ship. Which part of that the alien sprat they know if you fix ship, beep boop?
Beep boop, beep beep, beep boop, beep beep beep.
Everything come from.
Beep boop, beep.
Then drop him off up here just like we.
Beep boop.
Alright, hear me I say, straight and plain, me not trust him. And by the way, when you get the hot patty in the mouth, British accent there from.
Beep boop, beep beep.
You can't turn there. Just remember say I hear Virgin, you know. Hear me I say fish tram.
Bertram, oh Batty.
Sea lion, me not care.
Okay.
Only reason you're there, so, I cause a beep boop. So if a batty I look, say beep boop there.
Beep.
Don't come near me. As a matter of fact, if you try nothing funny, and when me say nothing funny, me mean say if you take a breath of air and one oxygen molecule enter your lung in a while, when me no like, you get gunshot. And me done chat.
A pleasure to meet you.
Fuck off. Come in, beep boop. I could go fix your ship. Big and serious, beep boop. Me and you alone could have fixed the ship. And you know that.
Beep boop.
So where you go bring fish jam for brother?
Boop beep, boop beep beep.
So what if he's lonely? Go download one date in a par sitting bridging.
Beep boop, beep beep.
Brother, who care if he's stranded? Are we carry him up here? Make him go call one taxi or sitting.
Beep boop.
And by the way, why are him one?
Beep.
Every mission you have to have company. Not true?
Beep.
So where for him partner then?
Beep boop beep, boop beep beep, boop beep boop.
You might be right, you know, his partner probably dead, yes. Or he kill the partner and eat the meat to survive.
Beep boop.
No go so. Alright, Mr. Beep Boop, we don't have no meat, but no telling when you can do the parts them, brother. You saying you know if you fix ship, a scrappy man or a scrappy in a Beep Boop.
Beep boop, beep beep boop.
Alright, Mr. Beep Boop, you can't turn the ball, give him like a breeze. When him a use you for scrap metal, just remember that, give him like a breeze. When he turn you in a one fan, give him like a breeze, here?
Beep boop, beep.
Again, me just make you know, you know. Me not trust him for not even 1 second.
Hello, gentlemen. Everything is done. The ship is ready to go.
Yep, like I said, everything is good to go. When you're ready, just let her rip. Beep boop. Oh, no problem, my good lad, beep boop. Beep boop, beep bitty.
Now rush me, Beep Boop. Me I go say it. Up men's for do so.
Beep boop, beep.
Alright, Beep Boop. Thanks for fix your ship. Fish. I mean Bertram.
The pleasure is mine, lad. Now let's get ready to go to your planet. I mean Earth. I mean home. Let's go home. Because home is Earth, and that is where I am from. Earth is home. I am from Earth. I am an Earthian. Let's go home.
Yeah. Make we go home. Beep Boop, you see that?
Beep.
How am I tell you say Earth thing come from? I could remember the name.
Beep boop, beep beep. Beep boop, beep boop.
Oh, I chew in there in a space too long. Yeah. Beep Boop. Fuck there, brother. Yeah, make too much excuses for him, you know?
Beep boop, beep.
Me for relax. Alright? No say a word. Start up a ship and make we vacate Babylon. Yeah, go tell me for relax.
Yes, take me to your Earth. I am so hungry, being on this godforsaken planet without anything to eat for 35 long, dusty years. I am famished, and I can't wait to get to your Earth. I'm gonna eat everything in sight. People, animals, trees, buildings, everything. And most importantly, I can't wait to eat the two of you. Thank God my stomachs are built to digest any and everything. And robot parts are absolutely my favorite.
Was I not speaking in my mind right there?
Go suck your mama.
Boop. I can explain.
Beat boop, hold him foot them and me broke up him bum buckler. Puss hole, you know, a long time and one broke you. You know, you see, you chat me, you can yam, you do no bum buckler. Lick him, man. Move your bum buckler.
Please don't cry at it. You savages.
Done him. Puss hole, you. Me tell you, say me never trust him, you know. Of course, me right. And next time when me say me not trust nobody, don't question it. By the way, why we never just dash away him body? Beep boop, me not ramp with you, you know. A serious thing you attack? Beep boop, big and serious.